Welcome back to another video. I've been meaning to do this video for some time now, and I just wanted to show you the bike that I use to do my UberEats. So this is the Carrera Subway E men's bike. It's on a 18-inch frame with 27.5-inch wheels. It's got back and front hydraulic disc brakes, which have been really good. I've got no complaints with them whatsoever. My only complaint is with this bike is the seat. The seat is very uncomfortable, and I've been meaning to get a gel cover for it for some time now. I just haven't got round to placing an order and getting one delivered, but I am going to be doing that this week. The battery's just down here, and it's a 313.2 watt hour battery. And it says in the manual, in the specs, that it can provide up to 60 miles of assistance. See, I've only found out that this can provide up to 60 miles on the eco setting, which is the lowest one down here. I mainly use high and standard, mainly high towards the end of the night, and if I've got some battery left, I'll just use high for the rest of the evening if I'm more than halfway through my shift. But yeah, I wouldn't say it provides up to 60 miles of assistance. The motor is on the back here. It's a rear hub motor, and there's a sensor just underneath here which detects how, it's a torque sensor, so it detects how much force you're putting down on these pedals here. Yeah, the add-ons that I've put on this bike, obviously the brake light back here. I've put a light here and a light on here. Controls for the bike. So you've got your power button, just press that on there. You can go through the settings, so eco, standard and high. You've also got a USB input here. It's a bit tricky to open this one. Yeah, so you've got a USB input there, which you can plug your phone into and charge your phone off of the battery down here. Also, you can remove the battery with the keys that they provide you. I always take my battery off after I've done a ride and I've gone home. I take it off the bike. I don't really trust leaving it on the bike, but it might just be my OCD kicking in or some other rubbish, I don't know. But yeah, basically it's hard to do because I'm filming on my phone, but you just turn this key here and you slide it up and it comes off. But yeah, that's the bike. People have been asking for this video for some time now. That's why I've decided to make it whilst I'm at work on my other job, my full-time job. But yeah, this is the bike. I am going to be getting a different e-bike in August time. I'm looking for one at the moment. I'm probably going to get something with suspension this time because, yeah, as you can see, this hasn't got no front or rear suspension. And after like 5 hours of doing Uber, it really does get to you. Your shoulders, your elbows start to hurt, and your wrists, where you're taking so much vibration and force through the bike into your body. But I've learnt my lesson. If your roads are good where you live, then this is a perfect bike. But in London, if the roads are terrible for all you guys, that girls and guys that know how bad the roads can be in certain places in London. But yeah, very nice looking bike. Thanks for all the recent subscribers, comments and likes on my videos. I'll see you next time.